Hi, hello guys, welcome to s-labsolutions. I'm Imran Solo here. On to this video, we got an iPhone 10 which has no power, and customer says the data is important for him, so we're going to recover the data and recover the device. So I got the device on hand, and I just remove the display, and it is a water damage, and I'm gonna check with the power supply. I'll just remove the battery and connect the power supply cord. Alright, so it is short, the motherboard is short, so I'm gonna remove the motherboard from the device and come to you guys.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I just removed the motherboard from the housing, so let's go on the microscope. Okay guys, this is the motherboard. It's a fresh board. First of all, I'll remove the gasket from the FPCs. Okay. Because when heat goes onto the motherboard, the gasket will get shrink onto the FPC, so I hate that. So I'll remove the gasket first and throw it off, and cut off the shield sticker on here. If you guys can see this, there's some oxide over here and over here, so this is a water damage. This is a water damage device, and I get a screw over here to pull up the board. And I'll get my preheater. I'll set up on the preheater. Right. And I'll turn on my preheater and wait for a few seconds.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'll lift off the upper layer. So this is the down layer. Looks perfect. So there is no ripped off pads from the board. It's perfect. Keep this aside. Before that, I'll remove the thermal coating paste. Okay. Alright. and I'll check whether now I'll check whether now the short is on the upper layer or from the down layer. I'll connect the power supply code now to the layer. Yes, it shows the short, so the short is on the upper layer. The short is on the upper layer, so not with the down layer here. This is the upper layer and this is the down layer, so short is on the upper layer, the AP layer, not with the basement layer. So I'll keep this on. I'll check the appearance of the board first. Do we have any clues which capacitor or circuit has short or any corrosions? Okay guys, I'm having a doubt over here because some corrosions, something like this on this section area. So I'm having a doubt over here. On the other side, we have a corrosion over here and here. So the things are perfect. Okay, I'll check with the PP VDD main. It is short. I find PP VDD main right cap. Okay, the PP VDD main is okay. It shows okay, so I'll just check the PP VDD boost line. If the boost line is short, okay, the boost line also seems fine. The boost line also seems fine. So there is no short on boost line and main line, PP VDD main. Alright, the short is on the BATT VCC. Wow, nice. The short is on the BATT VCC, not with the VDD main or boost line. So the short is on the BATT VCC. So the BATT VCC goes around over here for this IC and for this IC, for this MOSFET and for this tie grease, and the BATT VCC goes over here. Alright. If you can see this, guys, there is a clue, there is a hint that gives the corrosions over here and over here. So I'll just remove this capacitor and I'll check again with the multimeter. Yep, boom, the reading comes to 0.460 and the short is gone. The short is on this capacitor. Alright, if I check this capacitor, this is the culprit. If I check the capacitor whether it is a short or not, it shows yes, it is short. So that culprit is the shorted cap and the short is gone now. If I check with the power supply now, when I connect the power supply, now we don't have a short. The short is gone. Alright, so now I'll do this. I'm not gonna clean the pads on the board because I'm gonna solder back this layers together without reballing it, because it is easy, because I didn't make any damages over to the pads and to the lower board pads. So I'm gonna solder this up over here like this without soldering, without reballing the layers. I'm gonna resolder the layers back together. So I'll keep on the preheater and warm up a little bit. So this is the preheater over here. I'm gonna warm up a little bit to use some flux. Alright. I think I got too much flux over here. But perfect. Alright, now it's perfect. And I'll keep the upper layer on top of it. Alright. I have keep the both layer onto the position, and I'm gonna keep some weight top of it. Before that, I'm gonna check whether it's perfect. Okay, it's perfect, I think so. Okay, looks like perfect. Okay, I'll keep some weight top of the layers, and I'll turn on the preheater and wait for a short time. Wait for a short while until it gets melted. So we just wait for some times We just wait for some time until it gets melted and solder back with the 2 layers. I gotta say something because the Sri Lanka is under lockdown for more than 2 weeks. We are under lockdown and all the shops are closed, all the business are down, and we are open on the lockdown days for recovery jobs and recover the device. So you can contact us for your iDevice recovery and data recovery over the phone. You can contact. So the link is on the description. You can contact over Facebook, or you can contact over WhatsApp or over the phone. So you can contact us for recovery jobs and recover the devices. We just wait for some times, and hope you guys are all safe and stay home and be safe. Okay, I just turn off the preheater and wait for a short time until it gets cool, and we'll check the device with the housing whether it's working. We get a nice touch, nice image, nice backlight, or any other issues. We get any other issues, or we get 100% working device and recover the data. Okay guys, I just removed the board from the preheater, so it looks nice. It looks nice, perfect. It looks nice and perfect. It looks pretty nice, isn't it? Yes, it looks pretty nice. It looks perfect. So before that, I'm gonna clean the border. I'm gonna clean the border from the alcohol over here. Okay, now I connect the power supply cable to the board and check whether the short is gone, or still we have any short. Yes guys, the short is gone. Alright guys, the board is ready, so I'll just fix the motherboard to the housing and check whether we have a working device and we can recover the data.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I have if you can see this guys, I have fixed the motherboard for the housing and the display is fixed. I just turn up the device, just turn on the device. Let's see. Yeah, we get an Apple logo. We got an Apple logo, and see whether we get a nice touch and a nice image. We got an Apple logo, nice Apple logo. Yes guys, we got a good touch. Yes, good touch and everything working fine. And yes, we recovered the data and we recovered the device and it's fully functioning now. So we just fixed a no power device, iPhone 10, and we recovered the data and we recovered the device. And it was a short on PP VCC BATT, not on the VDD main or VDD boost line. It's a short on a VCC BATT line. So we just fixed and removed the capacitor, and now the phone is working. Boom. Alright guys, so hope to see you guys on the next video, and I'm signing out. It's Imran Solo. Bye guys.